We decided that we needed to take a drive up north to hand out a particular award to a young man who is very well deserving. And ironically enough, for the second year in a row, the State Champs Anvil Award is going to a future Notre Dame Fighting Irish. So without any further ado, we want to award the 2021 State Champs Anvil Award presented by Hungry Howie's to Traverse City Central's Josh Burnham. Yeah. What's up, man? Congratulations, man. Raise it up. Raise it up. Yeah. All right. Good deal.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Yeah, man.